Hi. Yes, I need some help regarding an issue that I can't go to the police with. I feel there's an urgency to this thing. I was doing some catfishing, and it appears that I'm being catfished now. And I was making videos of myself doing things, and then I found a box on my doorstep, and it was a video of me making the video, and then I was panicking, and so I was hungry, and I made a sandwich, and then my doorbell rang, and I opened the door, and there was nobody there, and there was a box, and there was a VHS tape, and I put the VHS tape in the TV, and it was a film of, like a video of a person making sandwiches, but it was me on the video, and it was me making sandwiches. It was a video of me making sandwiches on a video of me making sandwiches, and I'm not sure if the meat was like me, and then my phone rang, and it said, "You are what you eat," and I'm really looking for some help here. I can't, like I said, I can't go to the police, I need some help, and any kind of I don't feel safe. I need to feel safe, and I would love if you guys could somehow make me feel safe,
Put the pickles in the bologna.
Some part of my
roll it up.
I don't feel full. Like no matter how much I eat now, and I would just really appreciate if you guys, I don't know if we can do this today, or it appears that I'm being catfished now, and I was making videos.
Hello? What was it? I came from that bread.